Dear student, today we are in our fourth lecture for the NJEE coordination compound. We are in our new point, organometallic compound OMC in short. What is organometallic compound? Whenever metal is combining with a organic ligand, with carbon particularly, bond between metal and carbon occurs. At least one bond contain at least one bond between metal and carbon. In NiCO4 is taken as organometallic compound. Although carbon monoxide is not organic compound. Yes, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide is not a organic compound. But whenever nickel combines with carbon, so we are considering as a organometallic compound exceptionally. Carbon monoxide is not organic, but we are considering as a organometallic compound. Understood? And another example is KCN, potassium cyanide, are not including organometallic compound. Yes, sir. Here potassium is metal combining with carbon, but cyanide we are not considering as organic part, inorganic part. So K plus with cyanide is a ionic bond there. So KCN potassium metals where carbon is a organic, but we are not considering as a organometallic compound. These are exceptions, although they contain metal carbon bond also. Organometallic compound are two types here. There are two types of organometallic compounds. Actually, in our periodic table, elements of S block and P block contains metals. Some of all the S block elements are metallic. Some of the elements of P block are metallic. So S block and P block OMC, organometallic compound, or sigma complexes, which form sigma bond with carbon of S block and P block metal, where D and F block metals, all the D block and F block elements are metallic by nature, which forms organometallic compound with organic part with carbon, which is pi complex is why we will discuss about it in detail. S and P block OMC. First of all, the bonds in alkyls of S block element are highly polar. Alkyl means methyl, ethyl are alkyls. And S block element lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium, magnesium, strontium are S block metals. When it combines with alkyl group, bond is highly polar. Suppose lithium with methyl. Methyl with lithium, electronegativity is very less of lithium. So which is, here bond is covalent, so sigma bond. But electron of participated attracted toward carbon. So bond is highly polar. In the organometallic compound of group number 14, 15 and 16, P block na metals છે તે metal with carbon bonds are relatively lower polars. Polarity is less. Yes, metal of group number 15, 14 and 16 combines with carbon, so relatively less polar. Now you can see methyl compounds of lithium, sodium, beryllium, magnesium and aluminium are associate with alkyl bridges and multi-center 2 electron bond. Yes, we are going to discuss about it. Here lithium, we discuss here. Lithium has 1 electron in outermost orbit, 3 bond with hydrogen of carbon, and fourth one covalent bond with lithium. Here 2 electrons are shared of both atoms, metal and carbon. So 2 electron bond, and which is sigma, and repeats 4 times. So Li4, Ca3 in Al2, Ca3 There is also actually aluminium has 3 electron in outermost orbit. So which combines with methyl by covalent bond. Another aluminium with 3 methyl. Here CH3. Here is also CH3. Empty orbital of aluminium combines with hydrogen. Empty orbital of aluminium combines with hydrogen. And these 2 electron includes here. So it gives a bridge like a bond. AlCl Al2 CH3 Here 2 electron is shared between 2 atoms. So 2 electron bond, which is sigma. So S block and D block element metal, S block and P block combines with the alkyl group, which is the organometallic compound, where bond occurs between metal and carbon is the sigma bond. What about D block and F block organometallic compound? Yes, element of D block and F block totally are metallic by nature, says the salt. Here bond forms by pi electrons, so which is called pi complexes. J is the salt. J is the salt. K is counter ion here. K plus, here is -1. Ethene 0 charge. 3 chloride -3. So platinum will be +2. In this case, what happens here? Platinum +2 combines with 3 chloride. Clear? Now in ethene there is double bond. So pi bond of the ethene combines with platinum. This is J salt. So bond occurs by pi electron of ethene, and there are 2 carbon and 2 electrons of pi bond. So eta 2. Eta 2 means bond occurs by the pi bond. So how many pi bonds in ethene? C2H4 ethene. Ethene માં 1 double bond છે, means 1 sigma and 1 pi. In the pi bond there are 2 electrons, and these 2 electrons combining with turn its electron pair of the pi bond to the platinum metal. So which is the pi bonding. The bond occurs by pi electron. So which is pi complexes. J is the salt. Here K plus when we remove, so entity will be negative. Both are same. J is the salt. Now NiCO4, tetracarbonyl nickel, then CrCO6, CO2, CO8, Fe2CO9, Mn2CO. CO means carbonyl as a ligand, Mn2CO10, FeCO5, Fe3CO12 are pi complexes. How can we say when nickel combines with carbonyl? So here first of all 2 electron of carbon donates to nickel metal. Then after here is empty anti-bonding pi star orbital and 2 electrons of nickel combines with empty, that is synergic bond. So here pi bond occurs. So that is also pi complexes in all the cases. The metal combines with carbonyl group, double bond occurs with metal, one bond by carbon and one bond by nickel with the empty orbital of carbon. It combines empty filled, forms a pi bond. Now ferrocene. Yes, what is ferrocene? Fe C5H5 twice bicyclopentadienyl ion 2, which is a ferrocene, not kerosene. Eta phi. Yes, this one is a pi complexes. How? C5H5. It combines with Fe plus 2. Fe. This is cyclopentadienyl. Cyclopentadienyl. And bi means 2 times. Here pi bond attracts toward the metal. So here 5 electrons of 5 carbon are rotating in resonating structure. So eta 5 C5. Actually this is a sandwich type of structure. 2 pentagons is a sandwich and between them there is Fe. So bicyclopentadienyl ion 2. Here Fe is plus 2 and dibenzene. So this is ferrocene and structure of ferrocene is like a sandwich. Here Fe plus 2 combines with the pi electrons of the cyclopentadienyl. Another example is dibenzene chromium eta 6. Eta 6 means in benzene there are 3 pi bonds. So total electrons are 6. These 6 electrons are combines with chromium. That is, there is also sandwich type of structure, 2 benzene ring. In middle there is a chromium. So chromium is attracted toward pi electrons, combined with pi electron, and this is also sandwich structure. Eta 6 means 6 electron of a benzene ring. This compound are called metallocene or sandwich compound, which have pi bonding of carbocyclic ring of metal atoms. Carbocyclic ring na pi electron forms a bond with metal. They are highly specific or homogeneous catalysis process like carbonylation, hydrogenation and polymerization. Now important of coordination compounds. Coordination compounds are very important. How? You can see cisplatin and Taxol. Many questions asked theory based in this chapter. So you can say cisplatin. In our syllabus, it is present in our book of NCERT. Cisplatin and Taxol are used in cancer, tumors therapy, which are very useful in the therapy of tumor of cancer. Cisplatin and Taxol prevent ટૂંકમાં કેન્સર હોયની ગાંઠ છે ને મટાડી ના શકાય પણ એનો growth છે. We can inhibit by using this drug, which is also organometallic compound. Coordination compounds are of great importance in biological system. In our body, in plants, in biological, they are very important. So many questions asked from this point. So concentrate on this point. Chlorophyll. the green plant pigment that act as a photosensitizer in the photosynthesis in plant. In the chlorophyll, which central metal atom is Mg+2, asked many times. In the chlorophyll, which metal is present? If metal is asked, then magnesium. Iron is asked, then Mg+2. And which ligands are there? Porphyrin as a ligand. This ligand is not in our book. If asked, then you have to remember porphyrin. Now our red color of the blood is due to hemoglobin. Act as O2 carrier. Red pigment of blood, red color of the blood due to hemoglobin inside our body, where ligand is porphyrin. This one is porphyrin, this one is porphyrin. Central metal atom in hemoglobin is iron, Fe2 plus. Myoglobin, yes, is one kind of protein which stores oxygen and is a regulator of respiration. હવે શ્વાસ લઈએ એમાં ઓક્સિજન જે મેન્ટેન કરશે. Here ligand is also porphyrin and central metal atom is Fe+2 in the myoglobin. Vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin, anti-pancreas anemia factor. Yes, one of the biological reaction named anti-pernicious anemia factor. Ligand here is scoring. In vitamin B12, which has a chemical name cyanocobalamin. This one is also asked in NEET and various exam, where central metal atom is cobalt+2. Now what about enzymes? Carboxypeptidase A. This one is in our book. Carboxypeptidase A. Carbonic anhydrase. Catalysis of biological system. Here central metal atom is Zn+2 ion. Now we are going to nomenclature of the bridge ligands. Nomenclature of the bridge ligands. Sometimes two metal atoms are present. Sometimes two metal atoms are present too, and there is a ligand common between them, that is bridge ligand. It is defined as the ligand which bonds to two or more central atoms simultaneously, giving a polynuclear complex. Here you can see two cobalt atoms is given. First of all, rough work. Chloride is a counter ion. So 5 chloride having -5 charge. So entity having +5. Hydroxo having -1. Amine neutral. So getting +5, here should be +3. So 6 minus 1 gives +5. Okay, here hydroxido is a bridge ligand between two metals. Here, which is a bridge ligand. You can see bridge ligand, OH bridge ligand. When bridging ligand is present within the complex, following points are noted for the nomenclature of these complexes. Bridging ligand is expressed by Greek letter mu. Yes, mu, which is added immediately before the name of the ligand and separated by a hyphen. Hyphen means adenine. This is hyphen. Dash hyphen. The number of bridging ligands are expressed as di. If two bridge ligands are there, then di mu. Three bridging ligands are there, then tri mu. If two polysyllabic bridging ligands, then bis mu. The bridging ligands along with non-bridging ligands are generally written in alphabetical order, unless the symmetry of the complex permits the similar name. Use of multiple prefix. If the same type of ligand is acting as bridging as well as non-bridging ligand, the bridging ligand is expressed first. એટલે bridging વાળું પહેલા લખવાનું. Following example illustrate the above points. We discussed the 5 chloride having charge -5. So entity will be +5. Cobalt +3 +3. So OH minus hydroxo. So mu hydroxo. Mu hydroxo. Yes. Here bridge ligand is hydroxo. બે મેટલની વચ્ચે છે mu hyphen hydroxo. Then after bis, why bis? This part 2 times. Pentacarbonyl cobalt 3, not cobalt 8. Entity positive છે. So penta amine cobalt 3. Then after counter ion only chloride. Yes, mu hydroxo bis pentaamine cobalt 3 chloride. Okay. Now what about this? Here two bridge ligands. Total entity is 0, -1, -1, -1, -1, -4. Here is +2, so 0. Here two bridge ligands, chlorido. These are not bridge ligand. એટલે મેટલની વચ્ચે bridge ligand 2 times. So di mu chlorido. Di mu chlorido. Then after bis, this part and this part is similar. So bis, then chloro ET, triethyl phosphine. Phosphorus with triethyl. So triethyl phosphine. Chloro triethyl phosphine, platinum 2. Over bracket into bracket. This part 2 times, so bis. Two bridge ligand and this part and this part similar on same side. So opposite of the trans. આ ટર્મિનલ છે છેડા ઉપર on end same part છે તો cis. આમ હોય તો trans. So this part is here, this part is here, so trans. So cis di mu chlorido bis, then chloro triethyl phosphine, platinum 2. Now what about this? Here is also between two Fe. This is Fe2 CO9. Here three bridge ligands, so tri mu hyphen carbonyl, tricarbonyl, but mu and indicated by hyphen bis. This part and this part is similar. Bis 2 times. Tricarbonyl ion 0. Yes, this means this part is a tricarbonyl ion 0. Tricarbonyl ion 0. This part, and here is bis. Now polynuclear complexes. Come to the next point. Polynuclear complexes. Nuclear complexes, polynuclear, having metal-metal bond. No any bridge bond. The બે metal વચ્ચે direct bond હોય. Can be symmetrical or asymmetrical. In such complexes, the rule followed the written the name complex as follows. In case of symmetrical complex, names are generally given with the use of multiplicative prefix like di, tri, tetra, etc. Here you can see manganese with manganese. There is no any bridge bond, bridge ligand. MnCO5 same part, symmetric. So pentacarbonyl manganese 0. Pentacarbonyl manganese 0 2 times. So bis penta. Very simple. બરાબર આ સિમેટ્રિક છે, આ પાર્ટ અને આ પાર્ટ સેમ છે. So bis now into bracket, bis means 2 times. So pentacarbonyl manganese 0. In case of unsymmetrical complexes, the બે part same ના હોય. One of the center atom and ligand bonded to it are considered as the ligand to the other central atom. Here you can see rhenium with cobalt. Here is mistake. Here is cobalt. This one is carbonyl. Pentacarbonyl rhenium, tetracarbonyl cobalt. This is not symmetric. આ ભાગ ને આ part same નથી. Both parts are different. So we have to take this center rhenium. So first of all pentacarbonyl outside the bracket. Then remaining part with here. This one tetracarbonyl cobalt 0. Then rhenium 0. આવું હોય તો આમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક પાર્ટ ને અલગ લઈ લેવાનો. આના લિગેન્ડ ને કાના લિગેન્ડ. આના લિગેન્ડ ને બહાર લઈ લ્યો. If we are taking this ligand outside the bracket, so this one will be center atom. So pentacarbonyl. So center atom this. Then after combining part tetracarbonyl cobalt 0. Then after rhenium 0. Oxidation number. Now stable oxidation state. This is important point of transition metals. What is transition metals? Element of the D block in our periodic table are called transition metals. Yes, this point is very useful and we will discuss about the use of it. This table oxidation state would be helpful to find oxidation state metal ion while naming complex having cation anion both as complexes. So we have to remember in our modern periodic table there is D block element. It means group number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Stable oxidation state of scandium plus 3. Of the titanium 2, 3, 4. Of the vanadium 2, 3, 4, 5. Of the chromium 2, 3, 6. We have to remember. Of the manganese 2, 3, 4, 7. Of the iron. Iron gives plus 2 and plus 3 having stable compound. Cobalt plus 2 plus 3. Nickel plus 2 plus 3. Copper plus 1 plus 2 and zinc only plus 2 having compound gives like this second series. In scandium to zinc electrons are in 3d orbitals. In the second series of transition yttrium, zirconium 39, 40, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver and cadmium. And stable oxidation state are plus 3 of yttrium, then zirconium plus 4, niobium plus 3 plus 5, molybdenum plus 6, technetium 4, 6, 7, ruthenium plus 3, rhodium plus 3, palladium 2 and 4, silver only plus 1, cadmium plus 2. Third transition series means electrons are filling in 5D. Here in second series 4D, lanthanum plus 3, hafnium plus 4, tantalum plus 5, tungsten plus 6, rhenium 4, 6, 7, osmium 3, 4, 6, iridium 1, 3, 4, platinum 2 and 4, aurum plus 1 and plus 3, mercury plus 1 and plus 2. Now uses of this series. Sometimes complex given like this. Ag Na3 twice, Ag Cn twice. Entity has no charge here given. So how to decide? So with table we can decide. Silver having plus 1 charge. On the basis of it, these are important. So plus 1, 0. So here plus 1. So entity minus 1, minus 2, so plus 1. So di, amine, silver 1, entity positive only silver. Here di, cyano, argentate 1, like this. Understood? So table is very important for getting charge oxidation number. Sometimes PT Na34 PtCN4 is given. So how to decide charge of platinum? So we discussed platinum having plus 2 or plus 4 stable. So we have to put down here and we have to check. Suppose plus 2. So 0, here plus 2. Here is minus 2, so minus 4 plus 2. Tetraamine platinum 2 and tetracyano platinate 2. Yes? If we take 4, then we get the wrong answer, which is not possible. So on with help of a table, we can define some exact oxidation number in this type of entity. I hope you enjoyed my lecture. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, bye.